Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone will benefit from this video because it is very important for regaining control of your life. First, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and here we go. Having a routine is essential for creating structure and organization in our lives, leading to a better and more fulfilling life. We all know the importance of routine in the lives of successful people. It is the first step towards becoming invincible. Routine helps in many aspects, including 1. Increased productivity. Routine helps us prioritize tasks, manage our time effectively, and stay focused on our goals. By following a specific schedule, we can allocate time for important activities and avoid procrastination. For example, allocating a specific time each day for studying or working on a project can help you make consistent progress and achieve better results. 2. Reduced stress. Having a routine reduces decision fatigue and uncertainty because we know what to expect each day. This can alleviate stress and anxiety, allowing us to perform tasks with a clear mind and a sense of control. For example, planning and preparing meals in advance can save time and remove the stress of deciding what to eat every day. 3. Improved health and well-being. A routine can include regular exercise, healthy eating habits, and self-care activities. By making these activities a part of our daily routine, we can improve our physical and mental health. For example, allocating time for exercise, such as morning jogging or an evening yoga session, can boost energy levels, improve fitness, and enhance overall health. 4. Better time management. Through routine, we can efficiently allocate time for different activities. This helps us avoid time-wasting activities and ensures we have enough time for what is important to us. For example, allocating specific time periods for tasks like checking emails or social media can prevent distractions and increase productivity. 5. Enhanced focus and discipline. Following a routine promotes discipline and helps us develop a focused mindset. It creates a sense of responsibility and commitment to our goals. For example, allocating a specific time for focused work or study sessions, free from distractions, can help improve focus and productivity. 6. Increased efficiency. When we have a routine, we become more efficient in completing tasks. By regularly repeating certain activities, we develop skills and find ways to perform them more effectively. For example, having a morning routine that includes planning your day, organizing your workspace, and reviewing tasks can set a productive tone for the rest of the day. 7. Improved work-life balance. A well-planned routine ensures time is allocated for work, personal relationships, hobbies, self-care, and relaxation. This promotes a healthy work-life balance, prevents burnout, and enhances overall happiness. For example, setting boundaries by allocating specific hours for work and ensuring controlling our time is a fundamental aspect of living a fulfilling and successful life. When we manage how we allocate our time, we can prioritize what truly matters and make the most out of each day. Time management helps us achieve various things on time and with the best quality, providing us with many benefits, including 1. Personal freedom. Controlling your time allows you the freedom to choose how you spend it. You can engage in activities that bring you joy, pursue hobbies, spend quality time with loved ones, or simply relax and recharge. For example, by setting boundaries and allocating time for yourself, you can engage in activities that help you unwind, such as reading a book, going for a walk, or practicing meditation. 2. 4. Increased self-awareness. Managing your time encourages self-reflection and self-awareness. By consciously choosing how to spend your time, you become more aware of your priorities, values, and what truly brings you satisfaction. For example, spending time on meditation and journaling can help you gain clarity about your values and identify activities that align with your true self. 5. Enhanced well-being. When you control your time, you can prioritize self-care and activities that enhance your well-being. You can allocate time for exercise, relaxation, and taking care of your mental and physical health. For example, setting aside time for regular exercise practicing mindfulness, or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy can contribute to your overall well-being and happiness.